Did ogres ever truly exist in Middle-earth? Strangely, Tolkien never gave us a clear answer. Unlike orcs, trolls, dragons, or bolrogs, ogres are barely mentioned in the legendarium at all. In fact, the only time the word appears in Tolkien's published Middle-earth stories is in The Hobbit. During Bilbo's riddle game with Gollum, while trying to think of the answer, Bilbo remembers all the horrible names of all the giants and ogres he had ever heard told of in tales. That's it. No kingdoms, no battles, no famous ogre lords. Nothing, which raises a strange possibility. Were ogres merely creatures of folklore, stories parents told children, the monsters under the bed of Middle-earth? But Tolkien's earlier writings muddy the waters. In his earliest drafts, ogres actually existed. They were counted among the Ufanimor, monsters, corrupted creatures bred by Melkor in the earliest ages, alongside giants and unnamed horrors. Some were described as cannibal ogres. Northern varieties bore names now lost to obscurity. Southern breeds were called Sarkindi, literally interpreted as cannibal ogres. Elsewhere, Tolkien casually mentions heroes fighting ogres and orcs before later revising those passages away. And in linguistic notes, old words for troll sometimes overlap with words for ogre. So perhaps ogres were never removed. Perhaps they were simply absorbed into other creatures. A forgotten branch of troll, or one of Morgoth's abandoned experiments. There's another strange theory. The Druidine, the Woses of the woods, were called Ogor-hai in their own tongue. Could distant generations have remembered these strange woodland people and turned them into monstrous ogres in legend? Probably not. But Middle-earth is full of forgotten memories becoming myths. In Shadows of the East, I've taken those fragments and filled the gaps. Here, ogres were among Morgoth's failed war breeds, created before trolls reached their final form, smaller than mountain giants, but larger than men.